Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to rate movies on Netflix app. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix. Of course, you should have an account. After that, go to the movie or the TV show that you want to rate. For example, I will choose Emily in Paris. And after that, as you can see, here there is an icon called Rate. You have just to click on it and you can choose if this movie or TV show is not for you, if you like it or if you love it. For example, I will choose not for me. And so for Netflix in the future, they will show you less movies or TV show like the movie or the TV show that you already gave like a negative rating or feedback. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.